Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to log in into Snapchat Web without phone in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can follow all the steps. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open up your browser and search for Snapchat Web. And click on this one. And then log in your email or username and password Snapchat account in here. Then as you can see here, you have to confirm or connect to log in with your account in your phone. So to access a Snapchat login in a web browser, you need to confirm it using your phone. And to do it without using a phone, the next step we will doing is we need to download an emulator app here. So open up browser and search for BlueStacks. Then tap download here. And after downloading and installing, you will be downloading Snapchat here inside the BlueStacks app. BlueStacks app is a player and easy to use program that you can use to run Android apps on your PC. After downloading and installing the BlueStacks app, just follow all the steps, and after downloading it, log in your account so you can grant and have the permit to log in Snapchat in a browser or web. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.